Okay, so guys, today we guys are starting a new chapter that is prokaryotes, and just decode. Let us decode this one code, this one statement, or this one term. Basically, pro means before, and karyotes means nucleus. It means that in prokaryotes there is no nucleus. They lack true nucleus. Then the second point is that they also don't have membrane bounded cell organelle. Okay, ji. Now if we talk about taxonomy of the prokaryotes, so prokaryotes were classified into the different classification systems. Basically, these were classified into different classification systems. So we are going to discuss about the main two. The first one is that prokaryotes had classified on the basis of kingdoms and on the basis of domain. Okay, but first we guys will discuss about that what are kingdoms. So first let's discuss about the two kingdom classification. So at very initially there were two kingdoms, animal kingdom and the kingdom plantae. The two kingdom classification was introduced by Ernest Haeckel. He made these groups in Protesta. Protesta is another classification, another kingdom. Then he made two groups over here. That one is lower Protesta prokaryotes, and the second one is higher. The kingdom Protesta is divided into two parts: lower Protesta prokaryotes and the higher Protesta prokaryotes. John Hawke is the first man who introduced Protesta and Edward Chatton found out the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Difference between prokaryote and eukaryote. Then Copeland, he's a guy. He gave four kingdom classifications. He introduced Protista in a very easy way. He gave four kingdom classification. Then Robert Whittaker gave five kingdom. These are the MCQs, guys. Robert Whittaker gave five kingdom classifications, and Margulis and Schwartz introduced basically they modify the Whittaker classification system. We just modify Whittaker's classification. Okay. Then there's a man, Vose et al. He gave the domain system classification. He gave the concept of domain system classification, that how prokaryotes are classified in domain system.